Shri Manish Kumar Ji Gupta, IS, Divisional Commissioner, Kanpur, Dr. Ramni, dignitaries on the dais, my dear friends. At the outset, let me thank Dr. Ramni for giving me this moment of joy and also the proud moment so that in the history of eye care of Shankara Foundation as well as the Kanpur, I am sure this day is going to herald the service of quality to the last person in this region. I know Shankara Hospital for a long time. I know Dr. Ramni for a long time. The journey of Shankara Foundation is a journey of what they call is inquisitiveness. He was going as a doctor, he saw something happening on a temple, he inquired what's happening. They said there is some camp. They said, why not I can take part. And then he was a general doctor. He started giving service to these poor people and then emerged. We are fortunate that he decided to take eye care as their theme. And then on, they say, had a sankalp. It is said in our philosophy that sankalpat srishti. God thought that, decided that there something should happen. And then everything was created. Similarly, Dr. Ramni had a great sankalp. And with this sankalp, he thought, why not? Eko ham bahusya. I am one, let me have many. But you may think, is he doing it for the heck of it? Or just to say that I have opened 14 hospitals? No. If you see the history or see the incidence of blindness in our country, there are two types of blindness. One is a permanent blindness where probably we can do only rehabilitation, and one which is avoidable blindness. We can remove it. That burden of blindness needs to be removed. And how much big it is? It's a huge big burden. Huge big burden. And we are not even reaching it to remove it by no efforts. It requires a huge amount of efforts, cooperation at all levels, and while doing so, remember, we have to do it not with sympathy, not with daya, but empathy. What treatment I want for myself, that should be given to the poor. And that is what they are doing at Shankara Hospital. I was talking to them, I have seen them, and the treatment to their patient is Rugna Devo Bhava. They don't consider their customers as the kings, but they consider them as a god. And with that attitude in mind, with that compassion in mind, with that commitment in mind, Dr. Ramni and his entire team have worked hard for so many years, more than 35 years, and that's what we call वीर. वीर किसको कहते हैं कि जो अपने ध्येय से डिगता नहीं, लगा रहता है, उसको वीर कहते हैं. मैं तो कहूँगा ये महावीर है, क्योंकि इतना संकल्प, इतना कमिटमेंट बहुत कम लोगों में रहता है. He's a partner and very important partner in Vision 2020. Vision 2020 is an initiative where we would like to bring down the blindness. There are 15 million blind people in our country. 1.5 करोड़ अंधे लोग हैं हमारे देश में. उनमें से 80% हम कम कर सकते हैं. कर रहे हैं क्या? जवाब आप दे सकते हैं, मैं नहीं दे सकता. लेकिन इसलिए हमें चाहते हैं कि हमें आनंद होता है कि जब आपके स्टेज के ऊपर एक दाता बैठे हुए हैं, अंदर भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं, हमें सबको मिलकर काम करना है, सबको सपोर्ट करना है. क्योंकि इस अस्पताल के साथ कानपुर में, ये नहीं कहता कि पहले नहीं थी, लेकिन इस अस्पताल के साथ अच्छी क्वालिटी हमें देना है लोगों को, अच्छी सर्विस लोगों को देना है. और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव आई केयर, सिर्फ मोतिबिंदी नहीं, ग्लाकोमा है, बच्चों का ब्लाइंडनेस है. एक बच्चा जब पैदा होता है, अगर उसका अंधापन दूर किया जाए तो 80 साल के लिए वो देख सकता है दुनिया. तो उसके बहुत बहुत मायने रखता है. कई चीज़ें ऐसी हैं कि इसका ये शुरू हो जाएगा. ये एरा शुरू होने के लिए मुझे बुलाया गया, मैं इसको आनंद लेने के लिए मैं यहाँ रहा, इसलिए मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ, डॉक्टर रमनी का शुक्रगुजार हूँ. और अपने जो कमिश्नर साहब है वो यहाँ आए. क्वचित ऐसे फंक्शन में मैंने नहीं देखा, बहुत जगह गया हूँ, गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी आती नहीं है, यहाँ आए हैं, मैं इनका बड़प्पन मानता हूँ इनका. सर, यू आर लकी टू हैव डिविजनल कमिश्नर विथ यू, and this eye care in Kanpur definitely a safe hand. Give them a big hand. Thank you.